It's that time of year again, that coconutty fragrance is radiating in the air. And of course, yeah, it's fig leaves. So it's time to make some oil. And all I do is get the fig leaves, obviously, pop them into a blender, add a good pinch of salt. This will season up the oil, but help to break the leaves down. And then cover them about halfway up with oil, just a neutral, tasteless oil. You can go your own way with this. And then blend it on full speed until eventually the oil will heat up. It's just friction and you can see the smoke coming off it. It takes about 2 minutes. And then you want to strain it off, but that heat's important because you're cooking out the fig leaves and bringing out all that chlorophyll and greenness, but also the flavour and the fragrance. Once that's done, strain it through a jelly bag or a double layer of muslin cloth and just let this drip through. And then towards the end, you can apply a little bit of pressure, but you don't want to squeeze any of the moisture out. Look at that viscosity, nice and thick, green and fragrant. Strain that into bottles. It will last for a week in the fridge, or you can freeze it in plastic tubs or sandwich bags and it will last for about 6 months.